I'm Jade
And I'm Melanie Dilaw.
and we are the owners of
Darling's Milktea. Darling's Milktea started last July 7 during pandemic, in the midst of pandemic yun siya. Maasin branch was established last July 7 since Jade and I used to work in Thailand. Then last March, we go back here for a vacation. But then, of course, there's pandemic, nagka-pandemic, and hindi na kami nakabalik for work abroad as teachers there. So, we initiated to put up a business, and that's our dream business, and that's a milk tea shop. So that's why we have right now Darling's Milktea. So we were inspired by what Jade, anong nag-inspire sa atin?
Our inspiration in putting up this business first is we are teachers, science teachers, and we always talk to our students or teach them the concept on how to take care of our environment.
Of course.
And doing this kind of business, like using bamboo cups as our container for milk tea, is a way for us to send a message. Kasi mas lalong nalalearn ng students kung ipapakita natin more than what we say. So parang ganyan. It's a way of applying and promoting sustainability.
Yes.
And we come up with a concept using bamboo cups because it is known in Maasin and it is abundant, and of course it's a one way to promote our local products,
Which is the bamboo cup.
which is the bamboo cup.
So as you all know, there's a lot of milk tea shops already, not just here in Maasin, but also around Iloilo City or even around everywhere in Iloilo. So we come up with this unique bamboo cups, of course, to attract our dear customers to use an eco-friendly packaging, and that is bamboo cups.
Yes. There's a lot of plastics that we use now, and our concern is more on environmental. So as an environmental warrior, it's time for us to shift to something sustainable.
Yes, hashtag no to plastic
Yes.
use.
We don't spend much sa pag-start ng business na ito because dahil nga abundant na ito, my father, the one, I talked to my father na gumawa nito.
Yes.
So madali lang naman, I showed him the video and natapos niya agad, nakuha niya agad yung design. So hindi ka na kami nagbayad doon. So we only asked for the help of our family. And we're lucky enough that we are receiving their help.
Yes,
for free. But for now, we are paying them because this is one of their sources of income since pandemic. So meron na silang income.
For the startup, we have like 10,000.
10,000. Almost 10,000.
Since the place is also for free, we don't pay rent here. Kay it's Jade's aunties, ang resto. Actually, we have our second branch already at Mohon Terminal, Talipapa. So, if given a chance, we would like to extend in Iloilo City, of course. And right now, we are open for semi-franchise around provinces here in Iloilo.
wants to franchise, to have your own
To avail our
Darling's
semi-franchise.
Milk Tea shop, that's Bamboo Milk Tea in your town, then you can message us so we can arrange the business.
Details
Okay,
with you. So, to every Ilonggo travelers and even sa mga simple nga tao out there, people
Milk tea
out there,
lovers.
milk tea lovers, you can visit our branch or our main branch here at Maasin Iloilo, fronting Maasin Police Station. And for our second branch, we have at Mohon Terminal, Talipapa. So you can visit there our stall. And of course, we are also available at Food Panda. Just search Darling's Milk Tea and we're going to
Have your
deliver your bamboo milk tea right in front your door. We also have Facebook page. Please follow and like our Facebook page, and our Instagram it's at Darling's Milk Tea. For our Facebook page it's Darling's Milk Tea. Thank you.